This scary story video has received 5.5 million views in the past year, and today I'm gonna see if me, a 16-year-old YouTuber, can recreate a similar YouTube channel using only AI tools. I'm gonna try to automate the entire creative process, from script writing to visuals and voiceovers. I got this idea while I was looking on YouTube for Faceless channel ideas, and I came across this, a channel that makes $4,000 to $64,000 a month just from telling scary stories. First, let's create the channel. Let's ask ChatGPT to give me 50 YouTube channel names for a channel about telling scary stories. Okay, that's a lot of names, but I like Twisted Tales a lot. Now we're gonna go over to Leonardo AI to generate our YouTube profile picture. I'm gonna type in a boy standing in front of a glowing, rocky, huge, pointy mountain that is foggy and the sky is spooky and dark. This just sounds scary. This looks amazing, honestly. Now, download it. For the YouTube banner, go to Canva and then type in YouTube banner and click it. Then upload your picture. Next, I put the profile picture in a circle frame. Then I added a purple circle behind it. Then I added 2 white rectangles next to it and added a black background. I actually decided to go with gray rectangles. Next, I asked ChatGPT to give me 10 ideas for text I can put on my YouTube banner for a channel about spooky stories. Then copied it and pasted it here. Next, I added in some fog. Then I clicked adjust. Then made the brightness lower to make the fog darker. Now the channel branding is done, and it's time to create the videos. I went back to ChatGPT and I asked it to tell me an engaging, realistic, scary story. Then I copied it and went to 11 Labs. Next, I picked a voice and pasted the text. Make sure your text is under 2,500 characters or all of it won't paste at one time because of the character limit. Then I clicked generate and downloaded it. This is how it sounds.
In the town of Ravensbrook stood the notorious Whispering Pines Inn.
Now that we have the audio, go to pictory.ai and click text to video. Paste your story from ChatGPT, then pick a template. It doesn't really matter which one you pick because it seems to only change the subtitles. Then generate the video. You can now add your audio and sync it with the video and text. Then I just went over any of the video clips that weren't spooky enough and changed them. This is how it looks.
In the town of Ravensbrook stood the notorious Whispering Pines Inn. It had a charming exterior, but beneath its inviting facade, it held a sinister secret.
Now download it. Okay, we need a thumbnail now. I went back to Leonardo AI and typed in this. Wow. Then go to Canva again and click YouTube thumbnail. Then add your image and make it cover half of the page. Then change the background to black. Then add spooky writing. I ended up with this. Now download it. The last thing we need is a title and description. Go to ChatGPT, and because it remembered me asking for a spooky story earlier, I just asked it to give me a title for the video. Then ask for a description. Then you're done. Just upload your video. Now that you know how to create a YouTube channel using only AI tools, the next step is to learn how to create viral talking AI generated videos for short form content. Click this video to see how.